Welcome back to Dad Deals. Harbor Freight just dropped a bunch of new coupons, so stay tuned and I'll show you more things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in September 2025. As always, if you found my videos helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm really trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm right around 88,000 subscribers right now. And just a huge shout out to everyone that has recently subscribed. Thank you so much. All right, without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's check out the deals. So first up, Harbor Freight has some dollar day items. And the first one I want to highlight is this paint trimmer. I absolutely love this tool. This is on sale for just $1. And if you have any painting projects where you're going to be painting around trim or molding, definitely pick this up. It's made of a really nice thick plastic and can really save you some time not having to use tape. Next up, also for just $1 are these Quinn razor blades. This is a 10-pack. Just always great to have on hand. Can be used in any scrapers that you have, anything like that. Next up are the 30 caliber ammo boxes. These are on sale for just $3. They're a great thing to store a bunch of different items in. Great for taking camping with you. They're really deep, so they're great for a bunch of different uses. Just one thing to note, I did test this out and it is not waterproof if it's going to be submerged, but it does have a rubber gasket around it, so it should be fine if it gets rained on or splashed on or anything like that. Next up is the Braun 250 lumen portable folding LED work light. This has a magnetic base on it, so you can stick it up anywhere. It can pivot 360 degrees, and it's just a great small little work light, and it's just $5. A couple of the ultra quiet air compressors are on sale. Here's the 10-gallon 175 PSI version. This is sort of your hot dog style, has that nice long handle on it and some wheels on the back. But this is $40 off right now at $250. You also have the 1-gallon version. This can get up to 135 PSI, also that ultra quiet design. Has a nice handle on it, so easy to take with you, very portable, and this is $140. Next up to go along those air compressors is a retractable hose reel. If you don't have one of these in your shop, I highly recommend getting one. It's much better than trying to wind up an air hose. But this is a 50-foot version for $60. The popular Predator, this is the 200-watt foldable solar panel. This pairs along nicely with their power stations, but you can really use it with any power station out there. It doesn't have to be the Predator version. But about $1 a watt is where you should be looking at with these, and 200 watts for $200 is a pretty good price. Definitely take care of your knees. So if you find yourself working a lot down low, definitely get you some knee pads. Here's the Comfort Grip knee pads from Ranger, and these are on sale right now for $8. Also, these got really popular when they came out. These are almost exact duplicates to these steel versions. These are your chainsaw protective work gloves. They're even in the steel colors, orange, black. But these are on sale for just $13. That's a fraction of the price of the other name brand. One of my favorite new tools that I've gotten recently are these self-adjusting wire strippers from Pittsburgh. These are so easy to use. You get perfectly stripped wire every single time. And this is 20% off right now at just $8. You also have the color-coded crimping tool in the middle. So if you use any of those butt connectors, you're set. But I highly recommend this tool, especially at just $8. Nothing too crazy here, but here's the Pittsburgh flat pry bar at just $3. I think that's a great price. You also have the Pittsburgh long reach hose grip pliers, a 3-piece set here for $10. These 24 packs of their mid-level batteries were a free item not too long ago, but $5 is still a great price for them. You can get these in either AA or AAA. If you'll find yourself on a boat this fall, definitely check out this Braun rechargeable waterproof LED spotlight. It also floats, but this can get you 36 hours of runtime on a charge and can broadcast a wide light, and it's on sale for $40. To go along with that retractable air hose, always make sure you have a retractable electrical cord. They make life so much easier in your shop or garage. But here's a 40-foot version with a triple tap on the end at $70. If you like it old school, you could just get one of these extension cord reels, and this is on sale for $8. If you have any fall pruning to do, check out this nice deal on the electric pole saw from Portland. This is the plug-in version, so you need to make sure you can run an extension cord to where you're going to be doing the pruning. Sometimes that's nicer. It does make the tool a little bit lighter, and this is on sale at $50. These extreme duty tarps that Harbor Freight sells are really nice, and they have a couple of them on sale. Here's the 12-foot by 20-foot version at $35. And then you have the smaller 10-foot by 12-foot version at $17. Kind of a pro tip here, if you're going to be getting any soil delivered to do any top dressing on your lawn, before they deliver it, set out a tarp on your driveway. It just makes cleanup so much easier. Here's a nice price on the gas-powered auger from Predator. If you have a lot of posts to set, maybe you're doing a fence, anything like that, this is going to be cheaper than renting the tool, especially if you're going to need it for multiple days. And this is on sale for $180. That is $45 off. It's also a great time to pressure wash your house. And here's a really nice pressure washer, gas powered, It's 2,650 PSI, but it is 2.4 gallons per minute, which is often more important than the PSI. But this is on sale for $320. Kind of a specialty tool here, but if you find yourself cutting large lumber like beams, you can check out this beam cutter attachment for your circular saw from Hercules. It's 25% off at $60. Also from Hercules, we have their impact rated hex shank socket driver set, a 3-piece set here of adapters at just $7. Here's also some auger bits from Hercules, a 3-piece set here at $25. Hercules is their top of the line over at Harbor Freight, so these will absolutely rival your DeWalt and Milwaukee bits out there. One more Hercules item here is a flap disc. This has the plastic backing and the ceramic grain, so it should last longer and work faster. But I use these to sharpen lawnmower blades, so if you're going to be seeding new grass seed, definitely make sure you have really sharp lawnmower blades so you don't rip that new grass out. So one of these can really help sharpen those blades. Here's a nice basic utility knife. I have a bunch of these, but I do find myself grabbing this one a lot. And this one's on sale for just $4. I love getting my painting supplies over at Harbor Freight. Here's a really nice paint kit, a 9-piece set. You're getting a brush, some rollers, and a tray and liners for $10. That's a much better price than you'll find at the other big box stores. A couple magnetic pickup tools here. This one kind of uses a plunger at the end so it can grab things. This has a 24-inch reach, also has a magnet on that end as well, and it's just $2.50. And then check out this one. This can lift up to 25 pounds and also has a quick release, so you don't have to bend down and get whatever you're picking up off the end, and that's just $10. Next up, we have the Bauer. These are the plastic sawhorses, but these have the built-in squeeze clamps. They also have slots to put some 2x4s in to make a nice work surface, but these are 20% off at $20 a piece. You also have some US General 15-slot wrench organizers, a 2-piece set here, color-coded to be standard and metric at $10. A nice instant savings deal here is the 25-pound US General magnetic hook. You can get it in a bunch of different colors at a great price at just $5. If you need to run some sprinklers this fall for your lawn, check out this hose splitter at just $5 as well. Has individual shutoffs. And then we'll finish things off with some Inside Track Club member deals. Here's the Hardy Professional Mechanics gloves. These are really nice gloves, and they're just $7 right now. You also have the Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets. These make great grill and griddle caddies, and you can get this for just $25. I love these magnetic trays that Harbor Freight sells. Here's the really large one with 4 individual sections, and this is just $12. And then last up, if you have a lot of weeds to deal with in your lawn and you don't want to wait for chemicals, you don't want to use chemicals, you can get instant results with this propane torch, and it's on sale for just $24. All right, those are the rest of the deals for the month of September. Again, please like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.